Alright, family, this tips and advice for people that have never been to court or tribunal. Listen, guys, I take it from somebody that has got a good experience. I wanted to tell you this. You should know that if you're going to court or tribunal, make sure that you do your homework. Number one thing I wanted to tell you guys, do your homework, do your research, and study the things. Because I know that when you go into court or tribunal, yeah, this is not for for people that are criminals, yeah, who are criminals, and that this is for people who have been victimized, people that have been abused, oppressed, and discriminated against. If you're taking a case like that to tribunal or court, make sure you just do a very good research, because you know that you are the only person that you can feel it. You can feel the case. You're the only person that you know what's going on. If you report it to the police probably is not going to do anything about it, because there's many things that, you know what I mean, they're going to just put a lot of stuff on the case and that, and just going to forget. They make you forget about it, or probably they try to delay it as well. Solicitor, no. The biggest fallacy is that when you say you want to go to solicitor, yeah, make sure, because solicitors, number one things that solicitors are not going to take your case, especially when it comes to discrimination claim, because the reason being is solicitors, they won't take any discrimination claim to hand. They first they get scared of losing their license, or also they're going to label that as well as people that will support racism cases and things like that. So solicitors, they're also human. They know each other, in the market, because remember, they got licenses. So some of them, they're gonna feel like, oh right, they're being labelled that, and they feel like no, they can't take it. So they won't tell you, literally, I'm telling you, you're taking a discrimination claim to court or tribunal. Solicitors, they won't take that unless they know that it's 100%, million out of 100, that case is easy walk in. Do you know what I'm saying? You walk in, walk out is a case for you. So that's why do not try whatsoever to depend on a solicitor, someone that especially who's going to take the case to tribunal, because they're going to play with you. Some of them might also, again, if you ask for that, you ask for legal aid for yourself as well, you want to ask for legal aid. Legal aid, they're not going to do anything about it. They're not going to say to you, oh right, we're only going to give you advice for that, but we're not going to go to court with you. We're not going to go to tribunal with you. We're not going to go to the hearings. We're not going to go to those kind of things. So too many excuses. So why are they at the same time getting legal aid? They're getting legal aid for you. And imagine that, yeah. If you're a claimant, you go to court or you go to tribunal. Also, you don't have no solicitor, but they have solicitor. Do you know that the respondent, the big fish, yeah, the big man, or the person that in the things, has got a solicitor, but you are the one that will bring in your claim to court or tribunal, but you don't have a solicitor. Also, the judge is gonna treat you like rubbish. Yeah, it's gonna treat you like a piece of garbage. That they won't even do anything. Do you know what I mean? 99 out of 100, you see the judge inside the court, they won't even listen to you. They would be listening to the other side if they're not with them. Do you know what I mean? Because especially when you don't have a solicitor and you're a person of colour, you go to court. It's very hard. So that's why I wanted to give you this tip, guys. Tips, yeah, to understand when you go to court. You better go on your own, or you have friends, or you have people that around you that they can feel it for you, and they understand that, okay, this is really what happens to you in court. But if you're saying any random person, any random solicitor is gonna go out with you, no, man. Where you living? Where you from? These geezers, they already know everything what is going on. They know each other behind the scene. Yeah, I'm not gonna say that like So then you're going to say to me, oh, Zanji, I think you don't know anything. Listen, I've been to court many times. I've been to tribunals many times, and I knew exactly what is going on. So one thing that when you step inside, make sure, yeah, because you're going to say a lot of stuff but sometimes the judge, they're not going to listen to you. So make sure you ask them, you wanted this things recorded, yeah? I'm not sure that's why they don't allow any recording and court or anything like that. But mainly that sometimes the hearing or the judge, the court might record that. Do you know what I mean? But you can't record that, but the court might record that. I'm not sure about, check it, guys. So ask them, you wanted everything you say is recorded on a video form or any audios or things like that. So that means that then the jurors, they're inside, so they're not gonna. So if they not listening to all your thing, they can go back to that or what you've said, right? So you guys don't think that it's just a walk in, because the reason is, the biggest problem right now, I think right now our society is facing, is that when you walk in and win a discrimination claim, if you won that, I'm telling you, if you won a discrimination claim, especially in a huge scale, that would flip the social order, because the social order is going to be like that. Okay, because the judge, the justice system, yeah, they're going to be like, oh, whoa, so what happened? What happened to the supremacists? Because there's a lot of supremacists in that justice system, and those are the ones that they don't want you to win. Even if you won something, you have to have a good evidence. Yeah, good evidence. You don't have a good evidence, my friend. I think, yeah, I know this is my light has gone off, but don't worry about it, guys. So you have to have a good evidence. Good evidence. Even with that good evidence, good evidence, then make sure that you're not winning the case, yeah, with such a huge number, or maybe like that, the compensation that you get offered from the judge is not that in a huge numbers. Or they might gonna say, oh, what, you won just 25% of the case or 75% of the case, because they don't want you to be 100% winning the case. So you got to understand that this is tips for you guys. Yeah, when you got to do your own research as a human being, as a person, use your mind, because you know that you're right. You're right. You know that this has happened to you. It never happened to the judge. It never happened to them. It never happened to any somebody else. Yeah. Mainly, the respondent. What I'm saying, the respondent. This is a big word for you guys. I'm saying the people that you're suing them or taking them to court or tribunal. Those people, 99 out of 100 or 200 out of 10, they will bring up a lot of claims, bring up a lot of lies. Yeah, they deny. I've been to court many times, and literally the people denied and lied in front of my face. In front of my face, they lied. Do you understand? So I've got to tell you this, guys. So make sure you understand that. If you don't know that, people are going to use you. This is tips for you when you're going to court. Don't get scared. Just go over there and win your claim. They try to intimidate you in the beginning as well. They might gonna say to you, all right, I need okay, you're gonna cough up more money. All right, you're gonna have to pay us for for our time investing in the court. Get you scared, brother. Don't get scared, because you know that you're right. Make sure you prepare your evidence. Yeah. If you need any answer, you need any advice, guys, just let me know. This is the first one. I'm gonna have to follow this with part 2, guys. Make sure you understand that, and don't get scared. You can go alone. Do never go and ask solicitors, especially people that are not the solicitors that, you know what I'm saying, they're part of the system. Yes, family, wake up.